This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Beautiful end-unit townhome for a first-time home buyer. This unit is located conveniently across the parking lot. The townhome is a 2-bedroom and 2-bath on a split floor plan with tile through the entire property. As you enter the private courtyard, you will have access to storage. Washer and dryer included in the sale. A must-see to appreciate. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.